back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'd like to talk to you about a really good side dish. So I'm going to make a squash. Now it's real easy to make these. All you do is you cut the squash, you put some olive oil and salt and pepper on it, you put it on a baking sheet with the parchment paper, and I buy the parchment paper at the grocery store in these boxes. I get them where they're pre-made for a cookie sheet. Very helpful, so you don't have to cut or mess with them. And there's really nothing to this. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then I just put it in for about 20 minutes. So the hard thing is to cut these. These little rascals are tough. So just be careful, cut in the middle, nice and slow, like I'm doing there. See, straight down, and then pull down. Same slot. Use a big knife. Make sure it's a sharp one. There you go. Looks like it has a bean sprout in it. Smells good. How about that, huh? Well, here we go. Baking sheet, olive oil, and of course, as luck would have it, I have a brand new olive oil. Thank you to my sister, who sends me my olive oil as I stall while I take the plastic off. And I was saying to myself last night as I put it here, I should open this so that I don't have to struggle with it during the show. Actually, I got lucky though, because it came off easy. Sometimes when you try to do this while you're doing a show, things don't go too easy. So here we go. I'm going to put it over here, over the baking sheet, just like this. Sprinkle some oil on it. Just like that. I keep this in a glass so it doesn't leak on your kitchen counter. It's like an orange juice glass. And then here is pepper. And here is salt. Just like this, all you gotta do is throw it in the oven. These are going to be hot, so you have to handle these with kit gloves. I have a real large fork, typically used for steak as opposed to an everyday fork. Pull off the parchment paper. I have these silicone gloves, which should be a little better for handling things. Probably less slippy. What you want to do is to grab onto the end of this. You want to stand it up and then scoop it out. I'll move some things around here. I'm pushing down to make a flat spot on the bottom of the squash. Kind of makes it stay there. You just scrape it out with a fork This is really, really easy to do. This is one of the easiest recipes to make. And it's real good for you too. Squash is really, really, really good for you. Okay, there you go. One down. The next one, I'll put my thumb right on the top, squeeze it, push down, make a flat spot. So back to my tuna fish can. You have to go through it and separate out your seeds. And you go ahead and you park these seeds off to the side so you can scoop them up. If there's anything that's a little tough in this, it's to separate out the seeds. You will be amazed at how many seeds are in a squash. I do believe I have this de-seeded. Now I have my plates. Start out with one to show you. This is how much I took out in seeds, this whole tuna fish can, which is heaping full of seeds. So I just grab a spatula, put some in the dish. That's the meal. Thanks for watching. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.